video, we will talk about the most common bathroom mistakes that you might have done and how you can fix them in order to keep your bathroom nice, useful, and safe. If you haven't done any of these mistakes yet, you can save your bathroom by watching this video until the end because they are all very significant in bathroom design. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Selen and I am architect, interior designer and founder of selenarchitecturaldesign in London. On this channel I do videos about interior design to help you use your space wisely and also give you a perspective from an architect's eye. If this is something that you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and follow my channel for more content because I upload videos on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Without further ado, let's start. This is one of the problems that I have seen a lot in my clients' home. The most important thing in a bathroom design is to choose the right materials that you can use for a long time because it's not a place that we can constantly change like it's a living room or bedroom. You can definitely improve your bathroom with time, but there are some fittings that you cannot change easily, such as shower, sink, toilet, and the cabinets underneath the sink. So you have to be careful about that. I've seen a lot of people use wood in their bathroom and then after a few years they complain that the wood material is cracking, clumping and warping and then they have to spend so much money to fix the problem. So please avoid using hardwood surfaces in your bathroom because bathroom is a place where there are lots of moisture and wood is not really resistant to humidity and water. I'm not saying that there is no way to use hardwood surfaces in the bathroom because there are some methods to make the wood water resistant, but according to my experience they all fail in the long term and that's the reason I don't really suggest you to go for wood in your bathroom. So please avoid using wood in your bathroom if you don't want to deal with problems in the near future. I also want to say that if you still want to use wood material in your bathroom, you have to make sure that you do the right steps to make the wood water resistant and you also have to think about how you can protect the wood from the humidity in the bathroom. You should never and ever place the toilet opposite the door. And the reason is that if someone opens the door, it might be quite embarrassing and also people don't really feel safe when the toilet faces the door. I will create another video about appropriate bathroom layouts very soon, but just to give you a quick overview that we always put the vanity opposite the door because when someone enters the bathroom, it's going to look nice and clean and we always try to put the toilet as far as from the door for privacy reasons. So if you are designing your bathroom from scratch, please don't do this mistake. If you don't want to change your fittings but feeling uncomfortable about this, you may consider changing your door's rotation so that it doesn't face the toilet but the wall. Some design trends might be really eye-catching and attractive, but you have to choose timeless pieces for your bathroom design. So, like I said before, bathroom is not a place that you can constantly change on a regular basis, so you have to be happy with the design even after a few years. I don't know if you realize it, but recently using black metals on shower heads and faucets is quite popular, but is it timeless? I think we can question that. Think about the colorful sinks and bathtubs that were quite popular in a certain period of time. And then what happened? It lost its popularity and then people started to exchange them with much more modern options. And trust me, bathroom fittings is not cheap and even if you can afford it, it's not easy to change because of the plumbing and so many technical things gets into the process. So please don't stuck at the trends that are only going to be popular for a certain period of time and choose timeless pieces for your bathroom. This is a mistake that can cause so much damage in your bathroom. You have to, I just want to say it one more time, you have to have enough ventilation in your bathroom. It's the most moisture place in your house and you have to get rid of that humidity by using appropriate ventilation. Natural ventilation is a must for any type of bathroom, but if you don't have a window, you should definitely use a bathroom fan. If you don't ventilate your bathroom properly, it might cause a terrible smell and also it can reduce the lifespan of your bathroom because condensation and mold can damage your fittings. And not just your fittings but your health, because sometimes mold can cause serious health issues like asthma and rash on your skin. So please make sure that you have enough ventilation in your bathroom. I know some people might be like, why do I need a decoration in my bathroom? I only spend a couple of minutes there, but let me tell you, whether you take a shower or have a bath, you probably start your day in the bathroom or you'll finish your day in the bathroom. You should have some decorations in your bathroom that can give you much more energy to start your day if you are using it in the morning. Or you need some decorations to make you feel calm and ready for sleep if you use it in the evening before you go to sleep. It might sound a little bit weird, but bathroom is a place where we as human beings get purified, and we should also nurture our souls with some nice decorations in the space. Personally, I enjoy having some nice candles and lavender oil in my bathroom because it helps me to get rid of all the thoughts that I have been thinking during the day. So please incorporate nice details into your bathroom that can make you feel happy, because being happy is the key for everything. Another common problem that I've seen a lot. You might think that you don't need storage in your bathroom, but trust me, you do. So you need storage to put your towels, cleaning products, shampoos, body creams, and so many odds and ends. So make sure that your fittings have enough storage, and you can also have some cabinets if you have space in your bathroom. There are quite useful wall-mounted storage options for bathroom, and you can also choose a vanity unit instead of a pedestal sink without storage. Shelves can be quite useful in the bathroom. I would suggest you to go for cabinets with panels in your bathroom. It's also one of the easiest ways to hide some stuff away that don't look nice, such as cleaning products. If you don't do it on purpose, such as designing your bathroom in industrial style, please don't expose your plumbing because it doesn't look nice at all. Exposed pipes can easily ruin your design, even though you might have designed the rest of the space nicely. So make sure to get an expert for plumbing design, and if something happens, please do not try to fix them on your own, because sometimes it might look easy but you can mess it up, so let the professionals help you. First of all, I just want to say that this might not be the biggest mistake that I will mention in this video, but it is still important. You should avoid using small and tiny tiles in your bathroom, and the reason is that it's really hard to keep the tile joints clean over the time, and even if you clean them once, twice or several times, it's nearly impossible to maintain them clean over the years, and they can turn into a yellow color. And we don't really want to see it in our bathroom. However, if you choose bigger tiles, it's going to be much more easier to clean and it will look much more better over the time. Small tiles are also very old-fashioned, but some people are still using it for some reason. Bigger tiles can also make your bathroom look bigger, so if your bathroom is small, this could be a great option for you. Proportion is one of the interior design rules that you should follow for any type of space, and I have explained how important it is to achieve a cohesive look in any type of space in another video, which you can find in the description box. But just to give you a quick overview of that, whatever you put into your bathroom should be in a harmony with each other. I have seen some people having a huge jacuzzi and tiny sink, and it was looking out of scale and completely weird. I can't believe that I'm including this in this video, but I have seen it. Yes, I did. In some countries, they put sockets around the vanity unit or mirror for hair dryers, and it's quite risky. I feel very weird to say this, but I even saw a socket inside the shower. It wasn't working, and I think they tried to cover it, but it was still a threat. It's not allowed to put sockets in the bathroom unless they are 3 meters far from the shower in the UK, but even 3 meters doesn't make it safe in my opinion. Because bathroom is supposed to be wet and water can splash anywhere, or if you touch something with the wet hands, I don't want to think about the rest. So even if it's allowed in your country, please don't put sockets in your bathroom and try to find other places to locate your sockets. This is another problem that I've seen a lot, and it might seem like it's not important, but it is. You don't need to walk out from the shower or the bath with a bare feet just to get a towel from the other side of the bathroom. Or you don't have to get up from the toilet after you realize that the toilet roll is finished and you have to get it somewhere else from the bathroom. Please place things within reach so that you don't have to struggle when you need them. You can place your cleaning products, spares, shampoos, body creams wherever you want in the bathroom. But if it's something that you are going to use on a daily basis, you should make sure that you place them where you are going to need them. You might be thinking that it's a great solution for an easy and quick makeover for your bathroom. But it's not a useful makeover solution because bathroom is mostly damp and wet, and those two things can easily damage the wallpapers in a short time, and you don't even have to wait for years. You might end up with wallpapers like this or this one. When bathroom gets hot, even if you take all the precautions, there will still be some humidity in the air and it can easily damage your wallpapers and make them peel off. And most of the time it doesn't peel off in 1 day or 2 days, so you have to experience that peeling off process, and it might be quite annoying and ugly to look. So please avoid using wallpapers in your bathroom. They are an easy solution for a makeover, but not in the bathroom. Have you ever done these mistakes in your bathroom? Please let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you like this video, please click that like button and remember to subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell to get notified every time I release a new video on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And you can also follow me on Instagram at selenarchitecturaldesign for daily inspiration. And I will put my website and contact information in the description box for business inquiries. Again, thank you so much for watching and take care until I see you next time. Bye bye!